Quest 3S. Here's what you'll find inside the box. Your Quest 3S headset, Quest Touch Plus controllers, glasses spacer, charging cable, power adapter, quick start guide, and safety and warranty guide. Here are the Quest 3S headset buttons and inputs. Located on the bottom right of the headset, the action button makes it easy to switch between seeing your room and virtual surroundings. To charge your headset, use the charging cable and power adapter that came with your headset. You can find them inside the folio that is attached to the glasses spacer. If you're using a different power adapter, make sure it's rated 18 watts or higher, or you may see slower charging times. Your controllers come with new batteries installed. Power on your controllers by gently pulling the tab to remove the battery blocker from each controller. Securely attach your controllers to each wrist using the adjustable straps.